Hello there, it's me, Wattpaddy, and it's been quite a bit of time. So today, I'm gonna do a Q&A. Alright, first question. Well, you can check the comments for that one. Alright, any more questions? Alright, fine. But first, a quick explanation. The other method does work. It's just 50-50. For some people it does, for some people it doesn't. This method works for everyone, but the issue is it's a bit more complicated. Now, this method does work on all versions, even pre-version 63, but I don't know why you'd want to use it before version 63. Okay, but before we get into that, first of all, if you are using an Android phone and you have a USB-C to C connector, which is just a cable, a charger, which has the same, Android charger on both sides, right? You can just plug it into your Quest, and your Quest should be able to just access the files anyways. If not, just go onto your phone and use a file launcher. Same with a PC. It's not, too difficult if you have those two things. I wouldn't use this method if you can't do those. So if you're on an Apple phone and don't have PC, or you just don't have the cable, this is what you do. As always, you'll need mobile VR station before you try anything in this method. When you're on your Quest, make sure to open up the browser and search these three apps. You're going to want to have Shizuku, APK, FV Launcher, APK, and an Activity Launcher, APK. Once all three are installed, you want to open up Mobile VR Station. When you're in Mobile VR Station, go to Configuration Wizard, Show All Options, Configured Scope Storage. Step 1. When you're in the browser, you're going to want to go all the way to the first option. Then you click Downloads, sort by Newest, Modified, and install all of the APKs. I already have the Activity Launcher APK, so I'm not going to be installing it in the video. Once they're all installed, you can get out of the Mobile VR Station app and go to Unknown Sources. Here you're going to want to open the Activity Launcher and the Shizuku app. When both are opened, scroll till you find Settings. When you find Settings, click the three dots next to the icon, and then click Open Activity. If it's a clear background, don't be worried. Scroll until you find About Phone, and click the Build Model 7 times. When it says that you are open developer mode, say it's fine. Then you go into Developer Options and turn on the wireless debugging. From here, you click wireless debugging and click pair device with pairing code. If both are open at the same time, you should see this. Now, put in the pairing code that is on the Settings app. When you enter the pairing code, press Start, and it should take you to this screen. Just let it be. It could take a bit of time. And then you'll see that when it shows that it's connected, then move it to the side and open up the other app, the FV File Launcher app, which I showed you before. When it asks if you want to connect to Shizuku, say yes. Now, this is test footage of it working. You do need to turn it on and off in Shizuku every time you open it though, which is a downside. Now, to mod, you have to click Open Android with Shizuku. When you're in there, you go to a separate tab where you find whatever mod or mod pack or whatever you want to move into the data file. You just click it and copy or cut. For this case, I decided to move my entire mods folder outside of Questcraft, just to show that this definitely works and wouldn't do any errors. And then you go to wherever you want to put the mods file. So for Questcraft, that's Android data com.qcxr.qcxr files .minecraft mod, and then whichever version you're on. Because I did the entire mods folder, it's whichever one. Then click the paste button at the top. Now I'm going to be showing you that it works by going into Questcraft. So I pressed sign in, moved to 1.19.2 to prove it's the right version. And here is just me showing you that all the mods have been registered. This will take more time, but for the sake of the video, I cut it down. Alright then, I hope you enjoyed that video and that this was helpful. If you want any help, DM me at wattpatty, WATTPATTY, on Discord. If you don't have me added, I don't accept friend requests. Just join the Questcraft Discord, which will be at the bottom, and then DM me through there, which I have DMs open, and I will respond as soon as I can.